Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lapcare LWS 004 stereo headset. There is a photo of what the headset is supposed to look like. This headset comes with foam ear pads, adjustable microphone and a long cord. There is some warranty service information on this side. Over here we have that the driver unit. Okay, we have some information here. The driver unit is 40 millimeters. The microphone size is 9.7 millimeters, sorry 9 by 7 millimeters. And frequency response is 20 Hz and 20 kHz, which is pretty standard. This cable material is made out of PVC. Length is 1.8 meters, which is pretty good. Let's open this box and see what the Lapcare stereo headset actually looks like. So, this is what we find inside the box. So this is a product information brochure from Lapcare. I'm going to keep this leave over here. Now let's take a look at the headphones themselves. This is made out of plastic, ABS material actually. So, but it is made out of solid plastic. It has a good finish. It doesn't look weak. It doesn't look very flimsy or weak. It's not going to break anytime soon. It is flexible, but not very much. The headband is adjustable, not too much, but just the right amount. Also, the interior is also made out of hard plastic. So this is the mic. The mic has this is a flexible mic actually, flexible swivel mic, and you get a good swivel, more than 180 degrees swivel you get with this particular mic. And these are the ear cuffs, which are cushioned. Finally, we have a cable. This is a PVC cable, 1.8 meters in length. So that's pretty long. And at the end, we have a 3.5 millimeter aux port. And this is what you find inside the box containing the Lapcare LWS 004 stereo headset. Thank you for watching.